If you're wanting to sign up with Bluehost web hosting and want a Bluehost discount, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Bluehost coupon code that will get you a Bluehost discount on Bluehost web hosting of up to 70% off plus a free domain name. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the Bluehost discount so you can save some extra money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase. To get your Bluehost coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and the discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Now let me walk you through the steps of getting the Bluehost discount, plus your free domain name, along with going over the discounted amounts for the Bluehost plans. Once you click the link in the description, it'll take you to the Bluehost homepage. You'll see the Bluehost hosting price showing $295. Click the Get Started button. You'll now see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro plan. You'll see you can get hosting for as low as $295 a month with the Basic plan, with a savings of up to 70% off. $545 a month with the Plus plan, with a savings of up to 61% off. $545 a month with the Choice Plus plan, with a savings of up to 71% off. $13.95 a month with the Pro plan, with a savings of up to 51% off. You'll get the cheapest pricing with the 12-month term. If you click on the 36-month term, you'll see you'll pay more per month for your Bluehost web hosting purchase. Once you hit the select button on the plan you want to go with, you'll be able to choose a free domain name. If you aren't sure on a domain name at the moment, you can click the Create My Domain Later button. You can then choose a free domain name when you have it picked out at a later time in the Bluehost dashboard. Once you complete this step, you'll now be directed to a page where you will enter your account information. Below that, you'll see Package Information. Under that, you'll see Package Extras. Next, select any package extras you'd like and enter your payment information details. At this point, you have successfully purchased Bluehost hosting and taken advantage of the Bluehost discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.